Hello butterflies. So today I felt like showing you guys how I put on my press-on nails. They're super easy. I enjoy them a lot. They're very effortless and you can achieve a cool looking manicure for under, I want to say, perhaps 10 or 15 minutes. If you've done the prep work, and by that I mean I already gave myself a manicure. So what I did, I pushed my cuticle back, I trimmed my nails, I filed them, I lightly buffed them. You don't want to buff them too much, and I removed some of like the hangnails. So I basically already prepped them, and that in itself took about 10 minutes or so. And now we're gonna actually apply the press-on nails. So I did find these at Dollar Tree. This is a brand name, and I've used already a pack, and I really like them. They come in several different colors, but there's also like the white ones where you can just apply your own nail polish to them. So I really like these, and then I've also used these in the past. They have always different designs. I really like this design. Originally I thought maybe I wanted to do this one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then I just have like a couple of embellishments, stickers. So the great thing is that you can just add your own. This is like the base, and you can add your own elements to it depending on what you're going for. And so what you want to do is just measure them to your nail. My nails are quite wide, so sometimes they will not fit that great. This is pretty good, and I like the length of it. It's not super long, so I'm still going to be able to craft. I didn't realize these were short, but I like it actually. It doesn't say. Usually the Dollar Tree ones are pretty long. So that's a good thing. That's really, really good. I'm a bit confused because usually pieces. Usually like the nails are these the same? No, definitely not. Does it bring just one? Oh, because it's 10 pieces. It's really weird. These don't seem like the same size. Usually, yeah, the size is on the back. So they have little numbers on the bottom, and the smaller the number, the bigger the nail, which is weird to me. I don't know why that's like that. So it's 1, 2, 3. Where are the rest of the nails? Is somebody playing tricks on me? That's so weird. Okay, well, the good thing is that I have 2 packs of the same kind. I don't know why it only brings 1 set of each nail. It doesn't make sense. So what I do, I just lay them out ready for when I'm ready to just adhere them to my nail. And I'll just measure them out. Have to buy the glue separately. I just have this Kiss Maximum Speed glue, and I want to tell you what happened here. Don't ever rip them off. That's what I did. I know it's a big no-no. It's a big no-no. You want to soak them first. if you really want to remove them before, you know, sometimes they're loose enough where they'll pop off on their own, but do not ever rip it off, because this is what happened to me. So you got to be careful. If you remove them properly, you won't have any issues with your nail. But if you want to go beast mode and just rip them off and yank them off, you're going to have issues. So please be careful. On track. So I'm just gonna apply the glue. So I grabbed this other one. I usually have, you know, a couple of them lying around anyways. So I'll just put a good amount in the middle of my nail. Try not to put too much, because when you do apply the nail, it will ooze out, and then you'll have like that residue on the side. So this has like a squared top and a rounded bottom. Sometimes I honestly switch it around because I like the rounded nail look. You want to hold it for a couple of seconds so that the glue dries a bit. And sometimes it's inevitable, you will probably get glue sometimes around your cuticles, so you want to use a little bit of cuticle oil to loosen that up. Like, look, ugly, pretty, ugly, pretty. just like that, we are done. So if you want to be extra, you can always bedazzle it with these gems. I think I got this specific one in Dollar Tree. I think I got this one in Forever 21. There's also stickers. I think you can also find these at Dollar Tree. But I feel like the nails are really pretty on their own. If I would have done these, maybe I would have applied like some bedazzling, but I think they're good on their own. Yeah, we will keep it just the way it is. And we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, give it a try, have fun. I guarantee it's easier than it looks. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me some love, and remember, fly free butterflies. Bye.